Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we're going to be reviewing this backpack. It is by UPIXEL. I think that's how you would say that. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so this is what the backpack looks like. Very nice. My son is already so excited. He keeps begging me to review this so that he can play with this. It is magnetic, which is really nice. Right there, and then it has this pocket that actually has like a little mesh compartment right there, which is really nice. And then it has a little compartment right here, which also has like a little elastic zip tie thing, so that if you put a bottle, you can put it nice and snug. And the same thing on this side. And then it has this right here. Like I said, it is by this brand right here. It does have a little sticker as well that they can actually put on something, which is cute. No. So how cute is that? So you can actually make him in there, and they give you the little, kind of like little block things to put on the front, which I'll show you later. The backpack does have this strap so that you can hang it on a hook, and then it does have this chest strap right here, and everything is adjustable. I love these little block little zippers. That's so cute. The inside is super cute as well. It is very padded, has a really thick padding, and on the strap so that it'll keep them nice and comfortable. It's not going to irritate their skin or anything, and a lot of storage room. So let me go ahead and call my son so that we can see what his thoughts are. Okay, so come here. Okay, so this is my son, Elisha. What do you think about that?
Cool.
You like it? Okay, do you want to try to build this guy on here? Here's your little blocks to do it. Okay, let me try it. I'm going to try it on you first real quick. Come here. Turn around. Put your arms through. So how does it feel on?
Good.
Strap it right here. Is that perfect, or do you need it tighter or looser? Or it looks pretty good. It's perfect. So turn around. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. Now he's going to go ahead and build this, and then we'll show you what it looks like once he's done. Okay, as you can see, he finished making it. Super cute. Now try it on. So that is what it looks like, all finished. Super cute. But thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.